Hello everyone, greetings from Aventurine Career Consultants. Guys, today I am going to discuss the way to prepare your cue card in IELTS. Cue card is the second part of your speaking module in IELTS. It's also known as long turn card. In this part, a topic is given to you and you are expected to speak for 2 minutes. But before that, 1 minute is given to prepare the topic. Guys, here I suggest you to utilize the time properly so that you have enough ideas to speak. So guys, first of all, I suggest you to plan your cue card. When you plan, divide your cue card in 3 parts. First is introductory part. You are expected to spend 15 to 20 seconds on the same. In this part, you can start preparing the background of the topic. Then comes details. Here 60 seconds are enough. You must cover all follow-up questions in this part. The last part is conclusion. The rest of the time can be spent on it and you can speak a cock and bull story which is relevant to the cue card. So guys, let's start understanding with the help of a topic. Today's topic is describe the member of your family whom you admire the most. Who this person is? How often do you see each other? What this person does? And explain why do you admire him. So guys, we should start with the introductory part. It's on the screen. You can start telling about your family, the members of your family, and then you correlate it with the father. At last you can say, I respect and love all of them, but today I would like to speak on my father. So 15 to 20 seconds can be utilized to speak this information. This is all about introductory part. Then start giving details about your father. Guys, you can start with the age of your father. You can talk about his complexion and his height. Then start speaking on the personality traits of your father with explanation. The first is he is goal-oriented person. He makes goals and leave no stone unturned to achieve them. He is working in a charitable organization as a manager that runs retirement home for old people, especially for poor. He has a job that is rewarding. He feels like he is accomplishing something that is obviously personally and professionally satisfying. He doesn't have any grudge against anyone in his life. He maintains balance in his personal and professional life. Then add the connector and talk about another personality trait. Moreover, his practical approach towards life always make him unique. He is rational in decision making, which has always benefited all members of family directly or indirectly. In addition to it, he is cooperative and helpful, not only with the members of family but with kith and kins, neighbors, colleagues and friends also. This is the reason they value my father a lot and he is respected by all. He believes in simple living and high thinking. He prefers wearing simple clothes, eating healthy and hygienic food always. He does yoga to remain fit and his favorite activity is meditation. I consider him the most adorable person. I think that I would have to say he is the most successful also because he enjoys what he does as well as making a decent living out of it. So I admire him the most. So this is all about details. And guys, in the concluding part, you can talk about the time you spent with your father, which was quite useful, and till now you remember that time. So guys, this is all about the topic. Hope you are able to elaborate your cue card now and keep in your mind that this topic or the ideas discussed here can be used in other topics when you have to speak on a person. So hope this video is quite informative. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll definitely come with more videos. Thank you.